Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. We made it to the end of the week. I was under the weather a little bit earlier in the week, but I'm feeling much better now. Thanks for all of your suggestions, for all those wonderful natural remedies. And I wanted to get out here this morning and just give you a little update on the citrus tree right back here. It is just about ready to harvest, so I'm super excited about that. Actually was just live on Instagram with Nicole from Gardenharicots. So that was a lot of fun. So it gave me a good excuse to come out here and take a little coffee walk around the garden. And I was actually talking to her about her tomato arches. Had this tomato plant growing here. And she had a great idea on Instagram over the summer to train your tomato plant to grow over arches. So I did that with one of mine, and it's got some tomatoes on it. And hopefully we'll get a harvest off of that if we don't get a frost. But I know a lot of you can't grow tomatoes in your garden right now because it's just too cold. So let me show you something that hopefully you can grow either indoors or outside. If you're in a southern climate, you can definitely grow this outside right now. And that is a little container of lettuce. Greens are great to grow right now in the wintertime in a southern climate, and it doesn't take much. It just takes a little container, a few seeds, some soil, and a little bit of sunshine, and you're gonna be able to grow yourself a little salad. So I wanna encourage you guys to get outside or to grow indoors. No matter what you do, just grow something. Now, I also wanted to remind you guys that I'm gonna be at the Barnes & Noble in Thousand Oaks, California. If you live anywhere in Southern California, join me tomorrow at noon. I'm gonna be doing a book signing there, and I would love to meet you, shake your hand, say hello, and just thank you for supporting us. So if you have your own book, you can bring it along. I'll sign it. We can grab one in the store, and everyone with a signed book, you'll get a free Cali bookmark and a free seed packet. So come on out and join us tomorrow at Barnes & Noble in Thousand Oaks at noon Pacific time, and keep an eye on Instagram and Facebook as I will be announcing other book signing events very soon. We've got some great videos planned for the coming months. We're hoping to film a brand new composting video this weekend so you can learn how to make your own black garden gold. We'll be posting that on YouTube, and also a brand new spring garden series we're planning with another gardener, a small space garden series, all kinds of fun coming up. All right, guys, happy Friday. Have a great weekend. We'll see you on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And please comment below and let me know what you're excited about spring garden season. All right, guys, happy Friday. Bye-bye.